Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding important multiple choice questions for the entrance exam of MPH, that is Master of Public Health, for various universities and institutes like AIMS, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, Indian Institute of Public Health, CUCET, JNU, ICMR, NIMHANS Bangalore, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH entrance exam. Students who are preparing for Master of Public Health entrance exam, and for this they want to join online coaching and want to take important question PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. This is WhatsApp number 9411513974. So you can WhatsApp here for online coaching and important questions PDF notes. And there is a WhatsApp group which description you will get in description box. Link of the WhatsApp group will be is available at the description box. Here first question is, which is the example of communicable disease from the options given below? From the options we need to tell the examples of communicable diseases. Option A, heart attack. B, diabetes. C, blood pressure. D, dengue. Correct answer is option D, dengue. So among the diseases, heart attack, diabetes, blood pressure and dengue. Dengue is the example of communicable disease. Its explanation is an infectious disease also known as a transmissible disease or communicable disease is an illness resulting from an infection. Infections can be caused by a wide range of pathogens, most prominently bacteria and viruses. Hosts can fight infections using their immune system. Question number second, ICDS stands for option A, Integrated Child Development Scheme. B, Indian Child Development Scheme. C, Integrating Child Development Scheme. D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, Integrated Child Development Scheme. Full form of ICDS is Integrated Child Development Scheme. Its explanation is Integrated Child Development Scheme or Services, ICDS, is a government program in India which provides nutritional meals, preschool education, primary health care, immunization, health checkup and referral services to children under 6 years of age and their mothers. The scheme was launched in 1975, discontinued in 1978 by the government of Morarji Desai, and then relaunched by the 10th five-year plan. Next question is question number 3. Palliative care policy in Kerala implemented in which year? Palliative care policy in Kerala implemented in which year? A, 2009, B, 2013, C, 2003, D, 2008. Correct answer is option D, 2008. Palliative care policy in Kerala was implemented in 2008. Explanation is palliative care is an interdisciplinary medical caregiving approach aimed at optimizing quality of life and mitigating suffering among people with serious and complex illness. Next question is question number 4. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is? What is the top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana? Option A, decrease the fertility rate. B, reduce the birth rate. C, reduction of MMR. D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, reduction of MMR. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is reduction of MMR. Its explanation is Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY is a safe motherhood intervention under the National Health Mission. It is being implemented with the objective of reducing maternal and neonatal mortality by promoting institutional delivery among poor pregnant women. The scheme, launched on 12th April 2005 by the Honorable Prime Minister, is under implementation in all states and union territories UTs with a special focus on low performing states LPS. Question number 5. In Kerala, tertiary care in government service is provided through which institutions? Option A, medical college hospitals, B, district hospital, C, primary health centers, D, taluk hospitals. Correct answer is option A, medical college hospitals. In Kerala, tertiary care in government service is provided through medical college hospitals. Its explanation is tertiary care is specialized consultative health care usually for inpatients and on referral from a primary or secondary health professional in a facility that has personnel and facilities for advanced medical investigation and treatment such as a tertiary referral hospital. Question number 6. In which year NRHM was launched in India? In which year NRHM was launched in India? A, 2005, B, 2008, C, 2007, D, 2004. Correct answer is option A, 2005. In 2005, NRHM was launched in India. Its explanation is the National Rural Health Mission NRHM, now under National Health Mission, an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of underserved rural areas. Launched on 12 April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the NRHM was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. Question number 7. Dimensions of public health. What are the dimensions of public health? Option A, health promotion, B, disease prevention, C, rehabilitation, D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Dimensions of public health are health promotion, disease prevention, rehabilitation. All these options are correct. Explanation is public health is the science of protecting and improving the health of people and their communities. The work is achieved by promoting healthy lifestyles, researching disease and injury prevention, and detecting, preventing, and responding to infectious disease. Overall, public health is concerned with protecting the health of entire populations. These populations can be as small as a local neighborhood or as big as an entire country or region of the world. Next question, question number 8. NFHS stand for. What is the full form of NFHS? Option A, National Full Health Status, B, National Family Health Survey, C, National Family Health Status, D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, National Family Health Survey. Full form of NFHS is National Family Health Survey. Its explanation is National Family Health Survey NFHS is a countrywide survey conducted by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India with the International Institute for Population Sciences serving as the nodal agency. Question number 9. Which variable is not a component of HDI? Which variable is not a component of HDI? HDI, that is Human Development Index. Option A, life expectancy, B, access to knowledge, C, IMR, D, decent standard of living. Correct answer is option C, IMR. IMR, the variable IMR is not a component of HDI, Human Development Index. Life expectancy, access to knowledge, decent standard of living are the component of HDI, that is Human Development Index. Explanation is component of HDI, Human Development Index are life expectancy, education and per capita income. So its components are component of SDIR, long and healthy life, education, standard of living. Question number 10. National Population Policy of India was enacted in which year? In which year National Population Policy of India was enacted? Option A 2001, B 2005, C 2012, D 2000. Correct answer is option D 2000. In year 2000, National Population Policy of India was enacted. Explanation is the National Population Policy NPP 2000 is the central government's second population policy. The NPP states its immediate objective as addressing the unmet needs for contraception, healthcare infrastructure, and health personnel, and providing integrated service delivery for basic reproductive and child health care. Question number 11. Number of live births per 1000 live male births defined as. What is the number of live births per 1000 live male births defined as? Option A sex ratio, B maternal mortality rate, C birth rate, D death rate. Correct answer is option A sex ratio. Number of live births per 1000 live male births defined as sex ratio. Explanation is the sex ratio is the ratio of males to females in a population. In most sexually reproducing species, the ratio tends to be 1:1. Question number 12. In which year was National Health Policy in India was implemented? In which year was National Health Policy in India was implemented? A 2002, B 2001, C 2007, D 2013. Correct answer is option A 2002. In the year 2002, National Health Policy in India was implemented. Explanation is although the first National Population Program was announced in 1951, the first National Health Policy of India NHP got formulated only in 1983 with its main focus on provision of primary health care to all by 2000. It prioritized setting up a network of primary health care services using health volunteers and simple technologies, establishing well-functioning referral system and an integrated network of specialty facilities. NHP 2002 further built on NHP 1983 with an objective of provision of health services to the general public through decentralization, use of private sector, and increasing public expenditure on health care overall. In this video, I have given information regarding important multiple choice questions which are very useful for various entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health. These are important for all AIIMS like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Jodhpur, and other AIIMS PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPS, CUCET, that is Central University Common Entrance Test, JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, ICMR, NIMHANS Bangalore, Hyderabad University, etc. And students who are preparing for MPH entrance exam and for this they want to join online coaching and want to take important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for giving your time to this video. Have a nice day.